If you're one of those guys who just has to have the latest, greatest, biggest, fastest, and most extreme and outrageous of everything, we might just have found the PC case for you. To celebrate their 10th anniversary, Thermaltake approached the BMW Group DesignWorks USA and said, "Built for us, kind sirs, the pimpest PC case in the entire world." And here's the result. This is the Thermaltake Level 10, and yep, it's enormous, gargantuan, behemoth. It's the Burj Dubai of PC towers, and it is most definitely PiMP. As you can see, the Level 10 is a big step up from your average case. Everything that was once inside is now outside. 9 drive bays, optical drives, cooling fans, power supply, they're all perched around the exterior, kept safe by hinged doors. It's made from aluminum extrusion, which is a thick, high-quality, heat-resistant metal, and it's a sweet matte black color. It's also got this cool, asymmetrical look and aggressive red LEDs around the top and on the front. Like I said, this thing is huge, 600 deep by 300 wide by 650 tall. It's also heavy, 21 kilos or nearly 50 pounds without any components. Luckily, it's got this nifty handle. The build quality is superb. It's aerodynamic for efficient cooling, rock solid, and just look at it. It's porn for PC builders. So how much can you expect to pay for this supreme piece of PC opulence? As you might expect, it's rich. $1,000 US or $12.99 Aussie. But hey, if you've got the money, go for money. And the Thermaltake Level 10 is the epitome of money.
PiMP.